How to ask for a date on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I will guide you how to ask for a date on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. At first, you need to go to your Tinder application. On this feed, you can discover new likes and dislikes. On the bottom, you can see different icons. From there, you have to tap on chat icon, as this will lead you to this kind of screen interface. Here you can see who likes you, and if you have liked someone and the same person liked you back, then you will both get matched with each other on Tinder. Remember one thing, that don't directly ask for the date. Be formal and honest with that person and take more time to know each other likes and dislikes well. Be authentic to each other. And after all this, if you want to ask for a date, you can exchange number to each other and express your feelings while asking for a date, so you can be each other dates. And this is the way you can ask for a date on Tinder. And this was it for this video. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.